Hey everybody,
Hi,
welcome back. For this one, we're throwing
the Knight and Hornet.
the Knight and Hornet from Hollow Knight games. Here we go.
Yep.
Okay, so we have our paper in the landscape position, so it's sideways, not upright. And what else we're gonna need, Izzy?
We need marker, paper, and crayon.
So we need our paper, the markers, and the crayons. Okay. Start on the right and sort of in the middle here. I'm going to draw just a line like that. And now I'm going to draw a line coming up that way. And another one coming up that way. Yeah?
Yep.
Now we're going to put two little pointy bits on it and bring it back down till there. And we do the same thing on the other side. Two little points and we bring it back down. Okay, so we now have two little horns there.
Yep.
Okay, so now we bring it down around it at the bottom and go back up. So we basically drew a big U shape now. And that's that. And now, just about halfway down in this shape here, we drew two circles. And we can color it in. We can make it black
Yep.
because it's completely dark.
Alright, but I want you to really know to draw them, but let go your way.
Okay, I know you already know how to draw them because there's some very simple characters. Okay, so from the bottom here, from the chin of this skull shape, we're going to draw a line coming out and just till there. And now from the middle of the skull shape, we're drawing another line going out and joining that there. And now on the other side, the same thing, just till there. And we make a little, yeah. See, I added a little raggedy edge. Oh, and you did the same? Cool. Okay, so now we draw leg shapes coming out here. Very plain and just, and that's that. Oh, and you have it as well. My guy's almost too tall, but yeah, that's, you got it nice. That's a correct height. Okay, so we're adding little flowing lines to this. We just look some texture, and the other side as well. And now we add his sword coming out the back here. Just a little handle we can see, and tuck it in back here.
One nail.
His nail and a spike in the other end there. Yeah, easy, my markers are drying up. And for the leg shape, we can color that black as well. Got yours? We need more markers. You see? That's right, that's cool. And we add little lines to the nail.
Crack.
Cracks in there. And that's the knight. Now my knight is definitely just a touch too tall. But anyway, here we go. Now the next character is Hornet.
Yep.
And she's definitely taller than him. So we're gonna take up this kind of space over here. So her body is gonna be almost his height and her head is gonna go higher than him. So I want us to start with her cloak thing, a dress. So we're gonna draw just under the height, or just along the height of where his horn meets his head. We're going to draw a straight line, just like that. You got that?
Yep.
Okay, and now drawing a line coming in like that. Same thing on the other side. So now we draw a flared line going out And watch this. We just leave that line there.
Yeah.
And we draw another flared line coming out this side. And now from this point we draw another one. Just till there.
Okay.
And another one just from that side. Okay. And only this middle one, we draw a completed shape that goes back up there. Got it?
Yep.
Now we connect these till there. It looks like a cloak, like a dress. And we draw two thin legs. Just legs coming out, and we meet it at the same, we're standing on the same floor level. So basically, you can just draw the legs in there. And we're standing on the same plane here, the same level. Oh, my marker. Okay. And I'm coloring that black as well. Definitely need markers, Izzy.
And crayon.
Yeah, some of our crayons, some of our main colors are very short already. Okay. Now for the fun bit, we're going to draw a very big U shape over here. So like that, join it there to the dress and take it back there. Nice. So now we're taking this further up. Then we make a narrow U here. So we're gonna make a narrow U down the middle and back up. And here we go.
Yep.
Okay. And her eyes are oval and they're kind of slanted. So I'm gonna draw just here at the bottom a slanted oval eye with my dry marker. That's not so nice anymore. And on the other side, I draw the other slanted eye.
Yep.
Put that shape nicely. That's that. And now he has a nail and she has
A needle.
a needle. So we're going to draw a very thin handle going up there with the eye of the needle at the back here. Yeah? Got yours? And on this side we have the sharper spike end showing out there. And that is the Knight and Hornet from the Hollow Knight games. There we have it, everybody. Very simple drawings. And actually the fun part now is just the coloring. So what do we need, Izzy? For Hornet, we're gonna need
That red and that red.
just red and like a bluish grey color here we can use. It's like a dark blue, I suppose. And I think the nail and the needle also gets a bit of grey. Okay, here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's Hornet and our Knight from the Hollow Knight games. So Izzy, are you almost done with Hollow Knight? I know you've been playing it.
Guys, I want to say it's in the game.
Yeah.
It's not a pretty easy game, man.
I believe so.
Keep my warning. I know who I did. I had to fight myself at the shadows.
Okay, no spoilers for the game though. Okay, everybody. So yeah, apparently, according to Izzy over here, it's a very difficult game. So I'll have to see for myself. Maybe I'm gonna give it a run. I've never played the Hollow Knight games before, but Izzy's enjoying himself with it, and soon he'll move on to the SILKSONG game as well. And thanks for watching, everybody.
Yippee!
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.